Hi everyone, here we've got Poco F3 and let me share with you how to update apps on this device. So first of all, we have to make sure that we've got the internet connection because obviously it is required for downloading something, and then we can enter the Play Store, so let's do it. Right now we can find my apps and games in our account, so let's tap on, in my case, H icon, and here we've got my apps and games. And as you can see here, we've got the full list of all updates pending. Of course, you can update all of those apps just by tapping on the green button update all, but we can update only one of them, one of it or two of them, and all you have to do is simply find them in the list. So let me pick, for example, the Netflix and tap on update right next to it. As you can see, it immediately disappears, but it appears at the very top of the list. First of all, it was downloading. After that, it will be successfully installed and automatically updated, like here. If it will be updated, then it will totally disappear from this list and appear in the recently updated. So well, actually that's all. This is how to update apps in your Poco F3. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.